nandito kami. Maglalaro kami ng Diesel and Steel. Kasama ko si Angelica. And yeah, barker ko siya. Magspaspawn muna ako ng jeep.
Yesterday is history. Tomorrow is a mystery. But today is a gift. That is why it is called the present.
Ito na siya. Okay, andar na tayo. Wala pa si Angelica. Ayan, nandito na siya. Tara na, andar na. Ayaw andar. Abi John Boss. Ba't nawala? Ang bagal ko siguro mag-start. Ayaw gumana eh. Ayaw gumana ng makina ko. Tapos nawala yung jeep. Spawn muna ako. For the very last time. Balagtas ruta natin. Start. Dito ka na. Yan. Si Angelica ang barker natin for today. Traffic. Comment tayo. Nako, traffic. Hinaharangan ng terminal. Siya ang barker natin for today. Galing ko mag-drive, no? Kabungga ako. Parang baga ng takbo natin. Uy, umiiba na ako ng lane. Wala pang pasahero. Yan. Wala pang pasahero, boss. Change gear. Nandyan yung camera ko kasi andito yung comment. Hindi ko pwede ilagay yung camera ko dyan. Tapos dito yung bayad po and stuff. So bawal ko din lagay dyan. So dyan na lang. Kit naman eh. Ayun, may pasahero. Sakay na. Ano kayo hinihintay? Si Angelica ang barker ko for today. And siya ang aking classmate, hindi na alam. Ayan, bayad po. paano pag senior? May mat pa pala to.
What do we do now, Master? With the panda gone, who will be the driving lawyer?
All we can do is just stand and trust that
Sorry.
will be with you. What are you doing here? Hi. Good morning, Master.
Magpagas muna kaya ako.
You stuck.
Papagas muna ako, boss. Sumayad ako. Change gear.
Thank you. Don't mention it. No, really, I appreciate it for you
Naku, paano gagawin ko?
split in one night. It takes years to develop
Wait.
flexibility and years longer to apply it in college.
Sumabit ako. Paano yan?
The only souvenirs we collect here are bloody knuckles and broken bones. Yeah.
Paano to nung gagawin ko? Na-stuck ako.
Are you ready?
I was born ready.
Sorry, Bubba. I thought you said you were ready.
Awesome. Let's go again.
So, magre-restart kami kasi hindi ko maalis sa position niya. Kasi may tao sa likod, tas hindi ko maabante. Nag-respawn ako. Sorry. Na-stuck kasi ako eh. May tao sa likod ko. It's okay. Balagtas. Okay, we're here na again. Uy! Ang black ng ano niya. Gas. Spawn. Balagtas tayo. Saka na sa Giginto, Bulacan. Siguro magkakaroon to ng part 2. Part 2 is Bulacan or Giginto, Bulacan. Giginto to Bulacan naman. Okay, eto na ang aking barker. Nandito na siya. I won't call myself a good driver kasi nga na-stuck ako kanina. Papagas lang naman ako eh. Gusto ko lang naman magpagas.
If he's going to stay here, he should go.
Guys, I know about Taiwan.
That's why I won't call myself a good driver. Huy, ano ba to?
He wasn't just
Grabe ah.
she who found him as a
Sorry.
and he raised him as a son.
Miyan na ako magpapagas.
She who trained him.
Uy, 750 na pera ko. Wala pa akong pasahero. Ang bagal ng takbo ko. Aba naman.
The Uruguay saw darkness
Kamote
and refused. Outraged, Tai Lung laid waste to the valley.
So, si Angelica ay ang aking classmate sa school.
Destroy what he had created.
And gusto din naman niya sumali dito. So, we're both here.
Shifu loved Tai Lung like he had never loved
Ang
anyone.
bagal ng takbo ko. Ba't ganun? Magpagas ba muna ako? Wala namang gasolinahan dito. Galing ko mag-drive na.
And now, he has a chance to make things
May kulay
prove that
neon green.
with you. Big, fat pen and treats it like a chip. Oh, the dicks!
Wait! My fault! I accidentally tweaked your facial nerve! And may have also stopped this, sir.
Galing. Hindi siya mahirap sa laptop, mas mahirap siya sa tablet pag ida-drive. Pero, okay lang. Wait nga lang. May truck. Wala pa akong pasahero. Wala pa akong pasahero, guys. Ano gagawin ko? Malapit na ako sa Bulacan. Wala pa akong pasahero. Ano ba naman yan?
It is just news. It is no good or bad. Master, your vision was right. Tai Lung has broken out of prison. He's on his way. That is bad news. If you do not believe that the Dragon Warrior could stop him. The Panda? Master, that Panda is not the Dragon Warrior. He wasn't even meant to be here. It was an accident. There are no accidents.
Wait.
Well,
Change gear.
no accident either. First,
Ooh.
the Panda will never fulfill his destiny
Sorry.
until you let go of the
I'm not a good driver.
illusion. Yes. Look at this tree.
Barangay.
I
Tukot,
cannot make it
tuktukan.
blossom when it suits me. Will make it bear fruit before time. But there are things we can't control.
Wala pa akong pasahero. Ano ba to?
Control when the fruit will fall. And I can control
Ayun o sila.
plant the seed. Hiya! That is no illusion.
Ano ba nila sumakay sa akin?
Yes. But no matter what you do, that seed will grow to be a peach tree. You may wish for an apple or an orange, but you will get a peach. But a peach cannot defeat Tai Lung. Maybe
Wala akong pasahero. Ayaw ba nila sa akin?
you are willing to guide it, to nurture it.
Ayun o mga pasahero na nakikita ko. Mga
How
papunta dun. Pero papunta dito wala.
you just need to believe.
Ano ba naman yan?
I will try. Good. My time has come.
Walang ni isang pasahero.
Continue the journey without me.
True. Sa true naman, wala kaming ni isang pasahero. Nalibot na namin ang Balagtas. So, that's true. Wala talagang pasahero. Mura lang naman. Baka kasi mali ako magsukli. Nasa giginto na kami. Tapos wala pa akong pasahero. Dead end na.
But you're a lousy tipper. So, how'd you get out of there alive? I mean, I didn't actually say that, but I thought it. You read my mind, dude.
Sige, mag-U-turn na lang.
Really good.
Wala talaga akong ni isang pasahero.
What are you talking about? Oh, this is amazing.
Wow, you're a really good cook. I wish my mouth was bigger. Tiger, you've got to try this.
This said that the ground
Wala akong pasahero for today. Ba't wala? Let's see. Baka magkaroon ako ng pasahero dahil nandito ako sa lane na to.
Oh, it's the Dragon Warrior yet. Need a lot more than two. Universe juice.
Sana magkaroon ng pasahero.
Oh, nothing.
Buti pa yung ibang jeep may pasahero, di ba? Ako wala. Like, ni isa.
Work hard, Linda. Maybe someday you will have ears like mine. Ears? It's not working for you? But they're pretty good. It's sheep food. Of course it's sheep food. What do you think I'm doing? Ooh, Master Sheep Food.
Nasaan na yung mga pasahero dito kanina? Ba't nawala na? Nawalan pa ako ng pasahero. Parang for today's video, wala kaming pasahero. Umikot lang kami ng Bulacan. Tas ng Giginto. Tas ng Balagtas. Ito. Pasahero.
The panda. Master, please, let us stop fighting. This is
Sakay na. Oh, sakay na. Kasi naman tong nasa likod, ano ng ano eh. Ayaw ba nila sumakay? Ayaw nila sumakay. Pa ayaw nila sumakay. Dahil ba plain yung jeep ko? Like, please, give me some pasaheros. Ang galing ko mag-drive.
You're not my master. I'm not the Dragon Warrior. And why didn't you
Balagtas.
you stayed? I stayed. I stayed because
Ito, school. Madaming mga estudyante.
well, it hurt. But it could never hurt more than it did every day of my life being me. I stayed because I thought
Wala talagang mga pasahero.
could make me not me.
Kasalanan ng truck sa likod. Char. Ito oh, pag ganun, U-turn nga ako mamaya. Ayun, ang daming pasahero eh.
And even if it takes them 100 years to get here, how are you gonna change this into the
Alphamart.
Dragon Warrior? Huh? How? 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 I don't know.
Ito, aakyat na ako. Nakaakyat na ako. Ooh. Ganun itsura. Buti pa siya, may pasahero. Parang ayaw naman nila sa akin. Ito, may pasahero! May pasahero. Sakay na, ma'am. Wait. Oh, sakay na. Ma'am, sakay na. Aba, ma'am. Minsan ko lang nakakita ng jeep.
This is what you trained me for.
May pasahero na. Isang dulo. Thanks. Isang dulo? Saan sa dulo? Parang di naman napuno yung backseat. Intersection. To Bulacan Terminal. Bro.
What? I'll be one with that, okay? Oh, no need to explain. I just got my good monkey. He hides his own cookies on the truck shop.
Malayo pa terminal. Nasaan ba yung terminal?
Don't tell monkey. Lucky.
Ito pala.
I know I disgust you. No, I mean, how did you get up there? I don't know, I don't know, it was sticky. And yet you are 10 feet off the ground. And have done a perfect split.
Ito.
This is just a...
Isa lang nasakay ko. So we will end this here. Like and subscribe, and bye bye. Peace.